In this station, we have Chef Ross Magnaye. Chef Ross is a Filipino-Australian chef and the head chef of Serai, a Filipino-Australian restaurant in Melbourne. Chef Ross made waves with his beef kilawin on MasterChef Australia and is well known for his signature kangaroo kinilaw. So guys, we're here with Chef Ross Magnaye.
Woohoo!
He's a chef from Australia, Filipino, and you're also the head chef of Serai.
Yes.
In Melbourne,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, so
Wow.
Gordon Ramsey mentioned that
Yeah.
his sisig tacos are the best.
Hopefully he wasn't lying.
I'm for sure.
I'm
He's
sure.
not. He's not. For sure.
I'll show you how to do it.
So what's
Oh.
the inspiration from this?
Because I always love like eating with my hands. Like sisig was, it's already an amazing dish. I wanted to like create it as like you can pick up and
Oh.
okay. And it's kind of like a deconstructed sisig. So
Yeah.
so instead of the normal egg, we make like an egg butter.
All
So we
right.
make cook the eggs, blend it with mustard, vinegar, and salt. We do like a little onion jam, and then we put some pig's head we roast in the oven, and then we pick it and then we smoke it, and then we put sisig sauce. I make it up sisig sauce. Then put a little bit of
Wow, my mouth is watering. Like,
It's actually nice.
I'm literally like gulping my.
It is actually Gordon's favorite.
Right?
He loved this dish.
Wow.
Yeah, and then that, a little bit of that, not too much in there. And then I put a bit of sili. That's for
Wow.
some spice. It has to be a bit, sisig has to be spicy. Like otherwise it's a bit boring. A
Yeah.
little bit of that, not too much. And then I finish it with some coriander and spring onion. A little bit on top, not too much. And then we finish with some calamansi on the side.
Wow.
Squeeze on there.
Ooh,
Let's go.
Let's go. I'll squeeze for you as well.
thank you.
All right.
Mga ka-ATM, eto na talaga. Kanina pa namin to inaay eh. As in, nanlalaway na talaga ako. Okay, cheers!
Cheers.
Go. It's different.
No freaking way.
Different.
Good,
It's so good.
It's spicy, not too spicy.
Wow.
Like it.
Grabe.
Hindi nagsisinungaling si Gordon Ramsay.
No, totoo. Yes,
Ang harap.
one of the best sisig tacos I've ever tasted.
I know you know that it's so good.
Yeah, and I think like sometimes like it's like yeah, it's good. It's good. When Gordon came, he always talks about the sisig. So when he came here, it's all he talked about sisig. Tacos from us.
Oh yeah, because you went here recently,
He
right?
opened the restaurant.
Yeah.
Did an interview about the sisig tacos at Serai. We loved it. Yeah.
Congratulations, Chef.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sana naman mga ka-ATM matry nyo to. Do we have it here ba in the Philippines?
I don't know. I've never had it as a taco.
Oh.
Yeah, normally it's just I've had it sitting on a plate, but it's more fun because you pick it up.
Yeah. Easier to eat pretty much.
That too.
Yeah. Yeah. I
Something
think-
different.
Right, right.
Very unique, guys.
Exactly.
Sarap.